These videos are taking over the internet. A colossal monster, a city skyline, and people being pulled into the sky like gravity doesn't exist. They're getting millions of views. So today, we're diving into how they're made and how you can make one yourself. First, go to Chat GPT and click on Explore GPT. Then search for Skyscraper Monster and click on Chat. After that, click on Start Chat. Chat GPT will ask you a few questions, like the animal, liquid, and city name. For now, you can skip the person's name. I selected dinosaur as the animal, petrol as the liquid, and Africa as the city. Now, Chat GPT will give you a ready-to-paste prompt. Copy that prompt. Next, open Flow. Here, select Create Image and paste the prompt. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 because this is a short-form video. Select one output and click on Go. Flow will generate a nice image for you. Download that image. Then, inside Flow, select Frame to Video. Paste the prompt given in the description. Upload the image you just downloaded. As soon as the image is uploaded, click on Go. Make sure you've selected the correct video size. Then, download your video. To learn more trendy and informative videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll meet again in the next video. Thank you!